Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. Let us solve a sum based on discrete Fourier transform. The question is, use DFT and inverse DFT method to find the response of the system with impulse response given by h of n is equal to phi delta n minus 2 delta of n minus 1 for the input to the system x of n is equal to 3u of n minus 2u of n minus 2 minus u of n minus 3. First, let us express these equations in the form of graph. So for h of n, the first term is phi of delta n. That would be this. Then adding with 2 of delta n minus 1, we would get this term. And finally, when all the additions are done, we will get this term. And it would finally become to h of n is equivalent to phi comma minus 2. Now for x of n, we have first 3u of n, that is this graph. Then 2u of n minus 2, that would be this graph, and again minus u of n minus 3, that is this graph. So finally we get x of n as this. That would be x of n is equivalent to 3, 1, 1, So now we have got different periods, that is x of n and h of n. So we'll use the length formula, that would be n is equal to L plus m minus 1, that is 3 plus 2 minus 1 is equivalent to 4. By zero padding, we'll make the lengths of x of n and h of n equal. So after zero padding, we finally get x of n is equal to 3, 1, 1, 0, and h of n is equal to phi, minus 2, 0, 0. Now we have to calculate x of k. By the formula x of k, we will use a transformation matrix into w of n into x of n. Here n is equal to 4, so w of 4 into x of n. So now we will find out W4 matrix and multiply it with the sequence. That would be x of k is equal to multiplication of this matrix into the sequence, that is 3, 1, 1, 0. So finally we get the answer as phi 2 minus j, 3 and 2 plus j. Now we are going to calculate h of k. H of k is equivalent to w of n into h of n, that is w of 4 into h of n. H of k is equivalent to the same matrix, that would be a W4 matrix, into phi minus 2, 0 and 0. And after multiplying this, we finally get the answer as 3 phi plus 2j, 7 phi minus 2j. Now we have to calculate y of k. Y of k is equal to x of k into h of k, that is phi 2 minus j, 3, 2 plus j multiplied by 3 phi plus 2j, 7 phi minus 2j, and y of k is equal to 15, 12 minus j, 21 and 12 plus j. This is a direct multiplication of these terms. So now finally we have to do the calculation of y of n. Y of n is equal to 1 by n w of n into y of k, that is 1 by 4, that is n is equal to 4 multiplied by twiddle factor matrix into y of k, that is 15, 12 minus j, 21, 12 plus j. So finally the answer comes out to be 1 by 4, 60 minus 4, 12 minus 8, that is 15 minus 1, 3 minus 2. So y of n is given by 15 minus 1, 3, 2. That is the answer. Thank you.